Today we are going to be working on one more with numbers all the way to 10. And you are going to need pages 145 to pages 150 in your math book. And if you wanted to get page 145, that's the one I'm looking at right now. So if you wanted to work along with me, we are going to fill in this 10 frame. And it says that a salad has 7 peppers in it. So we're going to use our 10 frame to show those 7 peppers. And you have this drawing tool in your McGraw-Hill app if you ever wanted to use it. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That wasn't a very good one. 7 peppers. All right. So our 10 frame shows 7. So I'm going to write 7 right over here. 7. Now it says that the salad below it is going to have 1 more. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it say 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now my 10 frame shows 7 again. 7 of the squares have something in them. But now it says there's 1 more. So I'm going to add 1 more. So if I add 1 more, now how many peppers does the salad have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 peppers in it. I'm going to write that number 8 here. So that means that 8 is 1 more than 7. Let's do a few more examples. All right, this is your page 146, and we're going to take a look at these watermelons. And we're supposed to count the seeds in our watermelon. And there we go. I'm going to make my line a little bit thicker. It's just easier to see. And this first watermelon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds. So I'm going to write that number 6 the best I can, kind of messy. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seeds in it. That next slice of watermelon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 seeds in it. And that last slice of watermelon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seeds in it. So here we go with number 9. And then the directions tell us that we are going to count the seeds. We did that in each melon. We wrote how many, and then we're supposed to circle the number that is 1 more than 7. So here's our number 7. What is 1 more than 7? Right, it's the number 8. So we're supposed to circle number 8. Let's go ahead and do the same thing, only let's do it with the peanuts that are down here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 peanuts. So we go down and around, put a hat on top, see what you found. So make that 5. There we go. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peanuts. All right, so 6. Count these with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is really good counting practice. So we've got 7 peanuts there. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 peanuts in that group. So I'm going to make that number 8 the best I can there. It says count the peanuts. We did that. We wrote how many. And now it's asking us to circle the number that's 1 more than 6. So here's 6. When they added 1 more, how many was that? Right, it was 7. 1 more is 7. Let's check out the next page. We've got a couple more examples here to do. Let's go ahead and do the orange slices. All right, let's do the orange slices. I'm going to go up here and grab my pen again, make the line a little wider. I'm going to touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 orange slices in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in this group. Here we go. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in that group. So we're going to make a line right here for 7. Now, it's asking us to count the orange slices. We did that. It's asking us how to write how many. We did that. And then the next direction says to circle the number that is 1 more than 5. So let's find our 5. What is 1 more than 5? Right, it's 6. 6 is 1 more than 5. All right. So let me go grab a different color pen here. It says the next thing we're going to do is we are going to count the sandwiches. All right. Well, this one's pretty easy. A straight line 1 is fun. 1 sandwich. 1, 2. 2 sandwiches. 1, 2, 3. 3 sandwiches. Some of you probably don't even need to count that. You can subitize those numbers because your brain is so good at numbers now. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sandwiches in that last picture. Good. Are you following along? So we counted them, we wrote how many, and now the directions say to circle the number that is 1 more than, where does it say? 1 more than, count the sandwiches, circle the number that is 1 more than, what does that say? I can't even read it. Let me look on the big page. That will help. Circle the number that is 1 more than 1. 1 more than 1. It's hard to see. That little writing right there. My eyes aren't very good. 1 more than 1. So here's 1. 1 more than 1 is, yep, number 2. Right. 2 is 1 more than 1. Oh, let's count the beans. This is getting kind of hard to do. My eyes can't see these little tiny things. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way I make a 7. Let's count the beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 8 beans it is. Lots of counting practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Number 9. Here we go. Number 9. And then the last group. Wow. You know what that looks like to me? That looks like a full 10 frame. It's got 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah. I knew it looked just like a 10 frame. So we'll make a number 10 there. And the directions say to circle the number that is 1 more than 9. So here's our number 9. What is 1 more than 9? Right. It's the number 10. Number 10. All right. Turn the page. And we are on page 148, and it says we're supposed to count the apples. We're going to count those apple slices and write the number. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Better go grab my pen up here. So 8 apple slices it is. If I were to draw 1 more apple slice, how many would I have? I'll try to draw an apple slice the best I can. That's about as good as it's going to get with this pen. So now instead of having 8, what is 1 more than 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 apple slices. All right, I think you're ready now to go ahead and go to pages 149. You're going to do the same thing that we've already done, and page 150. So this looks a lot like the examples that we just did together. So 149 and 150 are the pages that you need to upload to Schoology for your work.